So now I'm gonna get ready to make my spice, my season, my spice, my Haitian season. Okay. I already peeled the garlic. I have 3 packs of scallions. So I got the good real organic one from my local Stop and Shop. And now I'm gonna chop my parsley. Nice chopped parsley. I'm going to chop 1 onion. So I'm going to put the onions together with the scallion. Now I'm going to chop my bell pepper. And I'm gonna add 1 of my hot pepper to make my spice. That's my ginger, so I'm peeling my ginger so I can add and my spice. When you add ginger, it just gives it a bit of taste, make it hot. It's really good when you add ginger on your spice to marinate your meat. Ginger is good. Add ginger in your spice. all my ingredients to make my spice. Okay, so I'm gonna put all my chopped ingredient in the pot and the spout to wash them. I'm gonna mix everything together. So I'm gonna wash them so I can add them in my blender. So for you that didn't know, Haitian spice, it's a mixture of most of the vegetable, garlic, parsley, scallion, hot pepper, bell pepper, and you mix them together. You put them in your blender and you blend them. That's your spice. Easy. Okay, I'm gonna put it in my blender so I can blend it. I'm gonna add some olive oil, just a cup of olive oil just to blend it. Some people blend it with water. I don't like using water for a better consistency, so I use olive oil. Okay, I'm gonna add 1 cup of olive oil to make my spice. Okay. Now I'm gonna blend it. That's the part where I put my spice and put it in the fridge. Now my spice is ready. Okay, I'm gonna show you. See? Blend perfectly. See? So I'm gonna pour it in my spice container. So I store it in the fridge for a couple weeks. So that's depending on how much I cook. Okay? See? It's really thick. Blend perfectly well. See? That's my Haitian spice that usually see me cooking when I'm making salmon. That's the spice. When I say the Haitian spice, that's the spice. It's a mixture. Okay? Now I'm gonna pour it in my spice container so I can store it in my fridge. To store in my fridge.